the drug crisis in the United States continues to escalate. This year, more than 100,000 Americans died due to a drug overdose. Its overuse exceeds the deaths caused by car crashes, even guns, and even the flu. It is now one of the top 10 reasons for deaths in America. Officials say that this grim situation is tied in with the onset of COVID-19. U.S. President Joe Biden called the escalation a tragic milestone. He also promised to make healthcare more affordable and accessible. According to data, the overuse deaths have now been rising for more than 2 decades. It accelerated in the last 2 years and jumped nearly 30% this year. Social isolation is said to have contributed to the overdose, and a lack of access to medical treatments is causing further problems. Data found that the estimated death toll rose in every state except for Vermont has seen nearly 70% of an increase in the drug overuse deaths. West Virginia has seen a rise of about 62%. Kentucky recorded nearly 55% of an increase, and Oregon recorded around 45% of an increase.
The data visualization will show continued increases in drug overdose deaths through the 12 months ending April 2021. And we've reached a sort of a grim milestone there. The number is just over 100,000 deaths for that 12-month period, which is quite dramatic.
According to the new estimate, the deaths involve illicit fentanyl, which surpassed heroin as the reason for most overuse deaths 5 years ago. The United States has been troubled by drug overuse since the late 1960s. The record data is linked to COVID-19 and a more dangerous drug supply, which includes cartels producing large amounts of supply from Mexico and China. The U.S. Drug Enforcement Agency says nearly 12,000 pounds of fentanyl this year.
Travis was 21 years old when he died of fentanyl poisoning. He was a smart kid. He was a good-looking kid. He was fun. People liked to be around him.
WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.